Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Fix Guru, where we make your tech troubles disappear. Today, we're diving into a super common issue that's been bugging Xfinity users: your router blinking orange with no internet connection. If you're watching this in 2025 and dealing with this frustration, you're in the right place. This problem usually signals something like a connection error, firmware glitch, or even a simple cable issue. Don't worry, I'll guide you through easy, step-by-step fixes that could get you back online in no time. Let's jump right in. First, start with the basics. Check all your physical connections. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the router and the wall outlet. Also, verify that your coaxial cable and Ethernet cables are tightly connected. Sometimes, a loose cable is the culprit. Give everything a gentle wiggle and ensure it's snug. If that doesn't work, let's move to step 2. Restart your router. Unplug the power cord, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple power cycle can refresh the system and resolve temporary glitches. Give it a couple of minutes to reboot and check if the light turns solid. If the orange light persists, it's time for step 3. Check your internet service from Xfinity's end. Log into your Xfinity account online or via the app to see if there are any outages in your area. If everything looks good there, proceed to step 4. Update your router's firmware. Access the router's admin page by typing 10.0.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 into your web browser. Log in with your credentials, and look for a firmware update option. Download and install any available updates, then restart the device. Still no luck? Try step 5. A factory reset. This will erase all custom settings, so only do this as a last resort. Use a paperclip to press the reset button on the back of the router for about 10 seconds until the lights flash. Set it up again from scratch. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Xfinity support. They can run diagnostics or send a technician if needed. There you have it. Simple fixes to get your Xfinity router back to normal. Remember, tech issues can be tricky, but you're now equipped to handle this one. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.